with precision and ease. The prosthetic also incorporates a neural network, a form of AI designed to mimic the human brain's own neural network. This enables the prosthetic to learn and adapt to Sam's unique way of doing things. Over time, the prosthetic learns to respond to Sam's thoughts more accurately, becoming more like a part of him and less like a tool he has to consciously control. This synergy of machine learning and neural networks has made it possible for Sam to regain a level of independence that seemed unimaginable after his accident. He can now pour himself a glass of milk, write with a pen, even play a round of golf. AI-powered prosthetics are not just about physical mobility, they're about restoring personal freedom and dignity. They're about turning disabilities into different abilities, about redefining what's possible, and about inspiring hope in the face of adversity. This is not science fiction, it's the reality of AI in prosthetics today. AI is not just a buzzword, it's a transformative technology that's changing lives. This isn't an overstatement. Throughout this video, we've seen how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the field of prosthetics, bringing about a new era of mobility and independence for individuals who've lost limbs. Imagine a future where prosthetic limbs are no longer just passive tools, but rather intelligent extensions of the human body. With AI, this is becoming a reality. Prosthetics are now learning from the user, adapting to their movements, and providing an experience that is closer than ever to natural human motion. Moreover, AI-powered prosthetics are breaking down barriers and improving the quality of life for countless individuals. They're not just helping people walk, run, or grasp objects. They're restoring a sense of normalcy, a sense of self. In the world of prosthetics, AI is not just restoring mobility, it's restoring hope and independence.